Hello friend, my name is Ejaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearners. In this video we are going to discuss about else statement in JavaScript. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, this is the formal definition of else statement. Else statement whenever our if statement condition false, then our else block is run. Okay, this is how it look like. If condition true, then if statement is running, and whenever this condition false, then our else block is running. This is called if else statement in JavaScript or in any program. Okay, now let's see the one of the example. If age is greater than or equals to 18, you are eligible to vote. Else you are not eligible to vote. In vote criteria, there is only two conditions. If age is greater than and equals to 18, then you are eligible to vote. Else you are not eligible to vote if your age is 14 below 18. Okay, this is the if else application, you can say. Okay, now this is the syntax of if and else statement in JavaScript. First if, then condition, after that statement, anything. Okay, then we have else. For else we don't need any condition, because if this is wrong, then this will happen. Okay, now we have statement, and after this we exit from if and else. If else statement, sorry, if else statement. Okay, after that, this is one of the another example. Here our number x is 20, and we are checking if x is greater than 10, then print x is greater than 10, else it is less than 10. Okay, with the help of document.write. Now let's jump into coding part. Now let's now let's see the if and else statement with the practical implementation. First of all, I have to declare a variable where number equals to any even number 28, then semicolon, and after that I just want to check whether the number is odd or even with the help of if statement, if and else statement. If number modulus 2 equals to 0, then curly bracket document dot write, sorry, document dot write, print even number. Else if it is not even, then it should be odd number. Else it is an odd number. Document dot write, and then we have odd number. Now let's say and see the answer. This is even number. What if we change this with 27? Now let's say, you can see our program is running fine. It means we are doing if else statement correctly. What if, for another example, I use a variable age, and let's say 23, and after that we use if statement. If age greater than 18, then print document dot write eligible to apply for driving license. Okay. Else document dot write not eligible. Not eligible. Okay. Let's save. You can see I am eligible. Why? Because age is 23. If we reduce age with 10 or any number less than or equals to 18, if we provide 18, again it is not eligible. Why? But let's do fixing with the help of equal. Now I am eligible. Let's, yeah, you can see if age is 18 or above, we are eligible to apply for license, driving license, else we are not. This is how we can use if else statement in programming. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.